So, yeah, hi, thank you. We actually represents almost 650 shopping centers in India, and I think retail is the modern retail is what we represent. Shopping centers are basically showrooms for almost every manufacturing which happens in the country. Without retail, there is no manufacturing happening. We've had cases where people have said, oh, we've opened manufacturing facilities, but without retail, there is no point in manufacturing. So I think thank you to the government that they've realized that retail is the front end of the economy and the second largest contributor to the GDP. I think it's a great thing which they have opened. Life has to go on, businesses have to go on. What we have created is a very stringent set of standard operating procedures for malls. And I think we believe every mall will follow this in letter and spirit, which is what we hope they do. Because I think more than anything else, this virus is here to stay for a while, and it is our responsibility as humans to really follow this in letter and spirit
Correct.
and maintain all the guidelines which the government creates or we create. And I also would like to urge the consumers. We were taught when we were young, look left, look right before you cross the road. Don't cross on a red light. I think it is also the consumer's job to actually
Yes.
follow it very strictly and make sure that the consumers say, oh, there's no party happening. The COVID is still there. The malls are opening because we need to move on in life. So I think it's the job for everybody concerned, from retailers to consumers to shopping centers to people who are taking them there. Everybody should know this, that the virus is still there. We need to follow this in letter and spirit. Social distancing, masks are very important.
Yes.
Everything which has to be done should be done.
Very true. Very true. On that positive note, I want to ask Dr. KK Agarwal, what are the precautions that one can take, Dr. Agarwal, if schools, educational institutions, places of worship and shopping centers are going to be opened up, as the government is possibly planning in the phased out manner that they've come out with now?
Opening of everything is inevitable. You cannot continue lockdown forever. Lockdown, the statistical model shows that if the pre-lockdown R value is 2.6, after lockdown it will come back to 2.4. Long-term benefit will be a R value reduction of only 0.2. But you can reduce it further by another to 0.4. That means you can bring it to 2 by maintaining strict social distancing after the lockdown is over. Now here I want to clarify one thing. During lockdown, government said, stay at home. When you go out, wear mask. That was the relaxation. I think there is a catch there. When you go out, you are leaving 9 people at home in the same floor. And in the evening when you come back, if you are not going to wear mask, you are going to infect 9 others if you happen to be asymptomatic. And that's what is happening. And that's what is going to happen in the next 2 weeks. Families and families of people are going to get infected because the person who is working is coming back with the infection. So the answer is anybody, irrespective of anybody, if you are having a public dealing, you need to wear a mask, whether in the office or at home, to actually make difference of what we have done in the lockdown. Today, people are going out, coming back at home, and at home they are not wearing masks. At home they are not maintaining social distance. So families and families are getting infected. Opening has to be done. You can't stop it. The precaution is those people who are meeting public dealing, multiple people, must come back, change their clothes, take a bath, and wear new clothes and continue masking from people at home. If you don't do that, the whole purpose of lockdown will go away. So unlocking 1.0 would mean a transition that people who are going out, they will take precautions, same precautions taking outside, same precautions they are taking inside. As far as school and colleges are concerned, I have attended many meetings of WHO. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.